We operate under the name of Zain Home Living, which caters to very, very high-end bespoke furniture for our exclusive clients who have a very high taste and want to still keep the things in the interest of making it different from the other products available in other showrooms. So every piece is designed specifically keeping their interest in mind and with full creativity coming from our end as well as from their end, so that it becomes a very exclusive product with the interest of keeping the current market trend and the finishes and the fabrics which are now lately in trend. This gives the client a very unique feeling of having conversational pieces in their family, in their rooms, in their living rooms, or at their homes. 10 years now, 2014 to 2024. So it's almost 10 years. But I started my life, I graduated as an architect from JJ School of Architecture, and that was in 1978. I started with a small workshop at my garage at my residence. From there, I shifted to a workshop of 3,000 square feet. When my sons grew up, they decided to join me. So we then started a business together in 2014, yes. That's when my husband passed away and my children wanted to join my business because they thought it was very interesting and more creative and more challenging. We were originally into investment banking, but they decided that was too dry and this was very interesting. That's how both the boys, they're all commerce graduates and into finance, but they decided to take a plunge into furniture, and that's how where we are. The name of the brand is Zain Home Living, does very exclusive high-end furniture for private architects, industrialists, corporate houses, and private architects, interior designers, and residents of all of very high-end and mid-category and low category. We are ready to serve people in every which way. Products have the latest in designs and trends. We follow a lot of private clients. So every day this is what we want, and we actually make everything at our factory. So that is our plus point. Everything is made in-house, right from artwork to inlay work to marble cutting, polishing, carving, metal setting, everything except for powder coating unit, which we don't have. I think everything else is sourced in-house. Ideas, I think if you are creative and you are more inspired by so many things, there's nature, there are colors, there are so many forms in our everyday life that we can take inspiration from. It can be old Indian architecture, it can be Persian architecture. I'm very highly influenced by Islamic architecture and European. So it's a if you see my designs are a combination of colonial and Indian. It's a fusion of everything. In most of my tables, even in my tables, you'll see there's an Islamic script. There is a Tibetan script on that table which you see there. So there is always an inspiration which I draw from our old times, interiors and architecture from our history from the olden times. So we don't have any imported brands. Everything is in-house. We try to not to copy as much for at least private clients. Otherwise, everything is in-house. We don't import furniture basically. Everything is in-house, made at our factory. As Modi says, make in India, everything has to be made. Every client, if you saw these designs, which I think you saw those tables, you saw these tables. So every client has their own style of working, and we give our input as to how the product will look best. So we make it feel and see that the product is very, very well created and finished. People are generally more keen to do their homes, mainly their living room and dining room is the main focus, because that is where they can show their status to their guests and their family and their relatives and how successful they've become. and bedrooms are not given so much importance. But again, very high-end clients, people who are very, very rich and they can afford it, everything is designed, every corner is designed, and a lot of emphasis is made on materials, the best of materials, the best of finishes, which is at par with all the imported furniture, but everything is made in-house at our factory. It's actually all made in our factory, very much in India, and that is a plus point which we can achieve. We give the best of finishes at the most reasonable price, and people can come to us for all kinds of furniture, whether it's a bedroom, a bed, headboard, side tables, it can be living dining furniture, it can be modular furniture for your kitchen cabinets, for your offices, cafeterias, everything. So they can reach us through that website, actually through a word of mouth, because so many people, I've been doing since 30 years and 34 years now almost, but everybody knows. I mean, if you Google Lata Walia or if you Google Zain Home Living, immediately they know, yes, this is a lady who's doing fusion furniture. We were the first ones who started this concept of mixing metal, wood, stone, glass, and give a very different look to the furniture. I think the message now should be that all kinds of looks are in. People, it's not necessary that you have to stick to the very contemporary, clean, minimalistic look. You can now also get into contemporary classic and do a very eclectic collection where you have interesting pieces. It doesn't become boring by just straight line furniture and monochromatic colors. Add few colors, and the best thing is to use sustainable materials, which is now the most important criteria to save our world. Yeah. So I think sustainable material and using of old wood, discarded materials, how to recycle them and use in our interiors. This is what I would give the message. If you have old furniture, please recycle, give it to us. We will give them a new look. It's like remodeling your old pieces of furniture. They have excellent reviews of the latest kind of the surfaces which have come up in technology, and the kind of finishes which everybody can adapt in terms of outdoor interiors, exteriors, and for different finishes, whether it's the flooring, the tiles, the plasters, the paints, comparison to the world outside also. I think it gives a lot of information. Sitting in your drawing room, you can get all the possible information from there. Yeah, it's quite updated.